All right, I think I'm back on the trail. I just heard a screeching. It's probably a monkey. This forest, this jungle, is incredibly dense. Again, like the whole 7 kilometers that I've just traversed from 13,000 feet down to just under 5,000 feet. 3 days worth of hiking. Probably like 12, 15 hours in all. I'm supposed to be nearing a lodge where there's showers and beds. Shower, by the way. Haven't had one of those in 4 days. Showers and beds and a cold beer. I think I'm going to burn this backpack when I get to the end. I was a long way from business in the Triad when I made that recording in early August. I was in South America, where it's winter in the southern hemisphere. But really, I was in the middle of nowhere, hiking through a remote, rugged, and pristine national park in the Amazon basin in southern Peru. That park is known as the most biologically diverse place on Earth. In fact, on a single slope of that mountain in the Andes, you will find more species of trees, plants, birds, and animals than on the entire eastern seaboard of the United States, from Florida to Maine. All that biodiversity in such a compact area makes it a perfect laboratory for scientists to study the impact of global warming on tropical forests. I was invited to Peru by Wake Forest biology professor Miles Silman. He's been studying the Peruvian tropics for 23 years.
We're looking out over this vast area. We can see into Bolivia. We can see almost into Brazil. And so we're looking over a good chunk of the Amazon basin. And the Amazon basin is a place where tremendous amounts of energy go into the atmosphere, where there's a lot of water cycled, where a lot of carbon that's either being incorporated or released depending on what the climate's doing. And that affects climate all over the planet.
Silman is an intrepid adventurer and a widely regarded researcher. 10 years ago, he co-founded the Andes Biodiversity and Ecosystem Research Group with other top tropical biologists from the United Kingdom, the United States, and Peru. Over the course of this series, you'll hear more from Miles Silman and his international colleagues. You'll learn about their research, which has gone largely unreported to the general public, and you'll hear what it all means to the future of the planet. Global warming is not the happiest story to report on, but there is hope amid the gloomy predictions.